Did you know there are 3 parts to every successful YouTube channel? 3, okay? We're going to tell you what they are in a second. But first, I want to tell you who I am. I'm Scott Schaefer. I'm with the Real Creative Agency. And what we do, we are YouTube search engine optimization experts. We know ways to get your channel and your videos found in YouTube search results. We can edit a channel, we can edit videos so that YouTube says, oh, this video is about that. We're going to include it. We make sure your videos get found and clicked. Now, those 3 things. Number 1, your channel and your videos need to get found, okay? So that is search engine optimization. YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine next to Google. And there are 37 million just channels. That's not videos, it's channels. 37 million channels, and you're one, okay? Now, it's the same number of people in Canada or Afghanistan. That's a crap load of channels. And you have to make sure you're doing the right things to get your channel found and then get your videos found. That is YouTube SEO. That's what we do. Number 2, get clicked. How? What do you mean get clicked? That means, okay, we helped you get found in YouTube search result, okay? But now the next part is getting clicked. What that means is your little thumbnail, that little image, that has to pop. It's got to pique curiosity. It's got to grab their attention in that nanosecond that people are flying by now in those images. It's got to grab their attention fast. So there are ways to do that. A lot of subconscious things, but there's a lot of neat tricks you can do to grab people's attention. You need a face. You need a face on that image because we're human beings. We like looking at other faces. There's also colors. You need to look at specific colors and text. You see people put all this text up there. People don't read that. It looks busy, but they don't read it. So there's also tricks about that as well. So that's the getting clicked part, and it's really, really important. So in fact, a lot of times what we do, we spend more time on the thumbnail than we do editing the entire video. It's that important. So if you need help with that, YouTube gives you the 4 little snippets on your video and you click that one, you're not going to get found using the ones YouTube gives you. Trust me, you won't. So we helped you out there as well. Finally, number 3, getting viewed. If your video is crap, it doesn't matter. We can get you in the search results, get you clicked, but if it's crap, no one's going to watch it, no one's going to share it. Fortunately, there are 2 parts to that. You don't need a $10,000 camera, you just need a decent camera and sound. Your audio has to be really good because people listen. They don't want to have to look at it constantly, they like to hear it, so your audio has to be good. But it also has to be something that piques their curiosity. There's 2 categories in YouTube: information, how to, and entertainment, okay? If you can do both of them, that's the golden egg, a golden goose right there. If you can find a way to entertain people and educate them at the same time, that's great. But there's also a formula, a blueprint for every successful YouTube video you see out there. Trust me, there is. And there's 4 parts. 4 parts in that video. Every good video editor will tell you, a videographer will tell you, do these four things in this order. It'll keep people interested. You'll get the view. You'll get the time. YouTube, if somebody clicks on your beautiful thumbnail and they don't watch the video for more than 20 seconds, it doesn't count as a view. YouTube, well, we're going to put that one away. People didn't like that. So you got to make sure you keep them watching. And there's tricks to that as well. So those are the 3 components to a successful YouTube channel or YouTube optimization. How to get found, get clicked, get viewed. We do that at Real Creative. And it's more than just simply throwing up a video against 37 million other channels. I don't know, I think there's like 100 hours being uploaded to YouTube every second. It's crazy. So You're competing now with every selfie video in the world. You better make sure you know what you're doing in order to get found, because here's the secret most people don't know. The longer your video is on your channel or uploaded and it goes without views, the lower rank it goes. And people don't know that. So when you upload a video, you got to get attention quickly. Otherwise, it's going to go to the bottom. It'll never get found. It's just another tip we have at Real Creative. So we hope you found this of interest. These are just many of the tricks that we know about YouTube optimization, channels, videos, thumbnails, all the things that we do at Real Creative. If you like this, subscribe to our channel. It's a little brain with a light bulb, kind of creative, right? Also, gee, I almost forgot this. Okay, in the comments section, okay, what we do here at Real Creative, we do this every day, is if you want us to analyze your channel, just see, hey, Scott, how can we make this better? What are we doing wrong? No problem. Just take your channel link, or a video for that matter, and in the comment section below, add it in there, and we'll reply to it. We'll reply back to you with your email address and what's in your About section of your channel. We'll do a real quick summary of what the problems you may be having with your channel. But if you want your videos, your channel, anything optimized so you will get found without paying for ads, visit us at videochannelpros.com. Thank you.